Hello again everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Parkside cordless drill, 12 volt. This is the PBSA model. Now usually when you buy one of these it doesn't come with a charger or a battery, but I managed to get this full kit for 25 quid on eBay I think it was, which I was quite happy with. So I'll just take it out, pop the battery in. Locks into place. If you need to take the battery off, we have the two buttons that you press in, pull away. Keyless chuck, all drills have one of them. Now we have a chuck ring here, which allows you to switch from your drill bits to your screw bits. Don't really like the sound of that. Feels like it might break over time. Time will tell. Put that back on there. Now I have used this drill quite a lot around the home for drywall, putting screws in the walls for picture frames and things like that, and it's very ergonomic. It fits in the hand really well. I use my middle finger for the trigger, not my index, but it works well. The fingers fit around it nice and snug. There's rubber grips here and there. As you can see on the side, we have a battery level indicator. Quite a powerful little thing. It's got a decent kick to it. Now, like I say, I've used it quite a lot, and it's done really well for drywall and wood, things like that. It's not good for masonry. You want to get your big drills out for that one. So yeah, these are the bits. Screw bits made from steel. Got a couple of pilot bits there. And then your regular bits. And your bit holder. And a nice little box actually. It's handy that. And it's nice that it fits well into the drill case. If you're like me, I mean, you get a bit older with a bit holder in all sets of screw bits and stuff, but I never use that. I never have. I've always just stuck it straight in the drill. Yeah, so if you do a lot of this, putting pictures up and clocks and things like that, like I do, because my wife is constantly changing her mind and having things moved and whatever. This drill's perfect for that kind of thing. I don't need to go and get my big drill out shed. Yeah, so we put an 8mm bit in it. I'm just going to put it through its paces. Ignore the mess in my garden. Now we're gonna, so you can just take that off like that. I'm gonna drive some screws into some wood. See how it does. So as you saw, it struggled to drill the thicker screws into the mango wood, but did alright with the pan bed slats. That's an old cot that's been broken up. Yeah, so I mean, I forgot to set it to drill mode when I was drilling with the drill bit. Well, there you go. Don't matter. Anything I forgot to mention? Yeah, I drilled some random holes with that, and the battery is. But I've never charged it, and I have used it for a lot of DIY, so I expect that to be low. But yeah, overall it's a great drill. But if you're going to do anything, if you're going to give it a hard time, then it's not going to last very long. You need your big drills for that one. I prefer Hitachi, Makita, even JCB models actually for heavy work. But general DIY, it's absolutely perfect, and it's cheap, which is even better. If I can find this at a decent price, I will put a link in the description and a bunch of other information. I'm not sure how long these take to charge. I can't remember, but I should imagine it'll be a few hours for a full charge. And you'll probably get, well, you'll get months of general DIY out of it before you'll need to charge it. But anything heavy, you'll be charging it every other day. But yeah, like I said, for the money, it's brilliant. It is a brilliant drill, and I've used it quite a lot. Quick and easy to use. You can leave your big drills in the shed or wherever you leave them when you're doing general DIY. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.